Welcome to the SwellPro tutorial videos. In this video, we will show you how to calibrate Imu for the SplashDrone 4. Proceed Imu calibration for the following situations. 1. The drone cannot unlock the motors after the compass calibration. 2. The drone sways or drifts excessively during hovering in GPS mode. 3. The drone has been crashed or subjected to the heavy shaking. 4. The remote controller screen prompts, warning Imu error, Calibrate Imu. Please be aware that Imu calibration should be performed with the drone on a stable, level surface. Imu calibration on a boat or other moving platforms will not succeed. Please calibrate before boarding. Place the drone on a level surface. Power on the remote controller, then the drone. Wait for the aircraft to connect to the remote controller. After the connection finishes, hold the left joystick up to its highest position. Then quickly move the right joystick left to right, back and forth, until the front and rear status indicators flash alternately, or the remote controller screen prompts, warning aircraft initializing, please wait. The drone will now perform Imu calibration. Now release the joysticks. This process will be completed in 20 seconds. Do not move the drone during this process. When the front status indicator turns solid red and the rear status indicators turn solid green, or warning aircraft initializing please wait prompt disappears, power off and restart the drone. Imu calibration is complete. If the calibration fails, the warning aircraft initializing please wait prompt will not disappear. Please follow the steps and try to calibrate again. Thanks for watching.